I swear with my life that is only sex that I had with him.
With who?
Chiagozie. That I never use him for any ritual. I swear in the name of my late parents that are on the grave. I swear with my children, Brian Avis Opera, my son, that I never did anything ritual. It was just sex. If I do it, let God take away my life and my generation.
Are you telling me the truth?
I am telling you the truth, officer.
Between you and God.
Between me and God.
It's only sex you have with him.
It's only sex I have.
You didn't take this boy for shrine or any ritualist.
I didn't do that in the name of God.
Take oath.
Or take oath.
You didn't take any oath.
I never take anything, any oath, any oath, any whatever to against this boy to use him as a ritual. My money is clean. I worked in Belgium.
It's only sex you have with this boy.
Only sex. I swear with my life.
How many times?
Twice.
That is just it. You didn't take this boy picture or anything to anywhere.
I didn't do that. Officer, I swear with my life, I will still put it on statement.
Are you saying this under duress or you are making I'm
making a sincere confession that I didn't use anybody for any ritual in this life, and that we never do it. I never went to a native doctor since I'm born, and that we never go to a native doctor till the end of my life.
So it's only sex you have with this boy?
It's only sex.
That making, no, you don't take him or his picture?
I didn't do anything. I didn't take the picture. I didn't do anything.
Where did you have the sex with him?
At Oshoba Street.
Is it in your house or your hotel?
In the house.
In your house?
Yes.
Not your hotel?
Yes, I never did anything in my hotel since I built the hotel. No, it's in the house, and it's not in the hotel. You know now. He told you during his explanation. He explained how the house was now. He was there when he was talking to. The
sex you have through anus. What did you use? Did you use condom or is raw?
Condom.